Hi, I'm Justin, a product manager here at Macrometa, and I'm going to walk you through a demo of our search functionality. For this demo, you should have already gone through the tutorial in the Macrometa docs for getting started. In the quick start, you'll be creating an address book. I've set the address book up and am running it locally. You can see there's a first name, last name, email address, and I have about 378 contacts here. Now the first thing that we're going to do to implement search into our address book is to create a search view. I'm going to go ahead and call it addresses view. Now the great thing about our search functionality is that you can search across any field in any number of collections you want. It doesn't matter what type of collection it is. It could be a key value store. It could be a document store. It could be one of our Dynamo style collections. I'm going to go ahead and search across the three fields that I mentioned before. First name, last name, and email. You can also sort by field. I'm not going to do that for this demo. Great. Our view has been created and the index is already live across all 9 of the locations that are available in the playground. Now I'm going to go ahead and query this view. So I copy pasted this query in here. It's using SQL. I'm calling the view via the keyword search. I'm analyzing across the 3 fields that I chose here. And I have a Boolean to be able to pass the term that I'm searching for in via the search field that I'm going to create in our app. You can try it out here. Just we already got an email in there, so let's see about what it returns. Great, now we can see our search query running across our view. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as a query worker. A query worker, one second, get contact by search term. A query worker is taking a query and saving it as an API endpoint that's cached across the entire network, all 9 locations, just like the index that I just created. You can see here that it's been saved, and you can call it in your app via the name that you created. So now I'm going to jump into the code, and I've added some stuff here that's commented out. I'm going to create the search query. We've installed the JavaScript SDK in here, so we can call the query just by the name that we created. And I'm going to add the search field to the front end. And I need to uncomment this div down here too to make this work. Go ahead and save it. Now, if we go back to our address book, you can see that we have a search option here. So let's do some searching. There's my name. Nice. Excellent. So you can see that in very little work and a couple lines of code, we've added search to our address book. Hope you enjoyed this demo and tutorial, and I can't wait to see what you build.